Joining me today on NYSE Floor Talk is Peter Jackson. He is the CEO at Flutter Entertainment. Peter, congratulations. Welcome to the New York Stock Exchange.
Thank you very much. We're so excited to be here today and to have our shares listed on such an iconic market.
Exactly. You rang the bell to celebrate. You brought in Gronk with you. You're celebrating your dual listing here on the NYSE. So tell me, why did you decide to pursue a dual listing on the New York Stock Exchange, Peter?
Flutter owns FanDuel, which is obviously the #1 sports betting business here in the United States. And so we decided it was an important opportunity for us to list our shares here and let American investors invest and participate. And from a corporate perspective, it gives us access to the biggest capital market in the world.
So Peter, what's your pitch to US investors?
Our pitch is very straightforward. You buy Flutter, you get access to FanDuel, the #1 sportsbook in America. You also get access to our international business. Historically, we've grown revenues 5 to 10%. We're #1 in a number of important markets around the world. And there's lots of runway for future growth for the business.
Now tell me, how has app-based sports betting changed the way that fans engage with sports?
It's had an enormous difference. If you look at viewership in football, it was in decline. If you're watching a game now and you got your $20 parlay bet, you're going to watch right to the end to see whether your bet comes in or not. So it's made a big difference to engagement, particularly in games which otherwise may not have been that exciting.
And what are you doing to protect customers?
We spend a lot of time around the world really focused on responsible gambling. We're trying to lead the race to the top. It's really important from our perspective that our customers are safe and secure on our platform. So we take hundreds of millions of dollars out of our business. We have tools in place for customers to put in place deposit limits, to take breaks, or even self-exclude if they need to.
All right, Super Bowl's coming up, very exciting. Tell me, what are your expectations for the Super Bowl?
Well, look, the game last night, the Lions 49ers was the biggest game we've had outside of the Super Bowl. So we think that this year is just going to be enormous. We're going to have 600 markets available for our customers to bet on. And look, we're very excited about it. Will the Gronk make it or will he miss? We'll see. But it's a very exciting opportunity for our customers.
And tell me, how does Flutter use technology and data?
If you think about when a game is live, so last night when the Lions are playing, we are constantly repricing hundreds of markets. We're looking at the bet streams of data, what our customers want to balance the book. So we're a very data intensive business. We have 1,000 people working our business doing data analytics and repricing billions of data points a day. So we're not unlike the stock exchange actually.
All right, Peter. Well, wonderful to talk with you. Congratulations on being listed on the New York Stock Exchange. Welcome to the family. Thanks for joining me on Floor Talk.
Thank you, Judy.